Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation. So the general quadratic equation has the form ax squared plus bx plus c, which is a constant, equals to 0. So once you see a equation with this form, you will immediately know it is a quadratic equation because there is an x squared and there's something multiplied by x and then there is a constant. Okay, so for if you want to solve a quadratic equation, you have two ways, either by factorizing or by the formula. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation using the factorizing method, and then I will link down below the video on how to solve it using the formula method. Okay, so for example, we have this equation and it asks you to solve it for x. So we want x. So once you see this, okay, so we want to solve it for x. So first of all, we will open two brackets because we have a, so this is a and this is b and this is c, right? So we have all of the three letters. So I want x squared, so x, and then I will write here x because x multiplied by x is the same as x squared, right? So x multiplied by x is x squared. Now, what is the two numbers when I add them together will gives me -8, and when I multiply them together it will give me a +7. So -7 plus -1 will give me -8. So that's right. And then -7, the same two numbers, when I multiply them, it will give me a +7. So I will write here -7, then here -1, and I will equal them to 0. And then I will say x minus 7 equals to 0. So I want x, so I'm going to move the 7 on the other side and I will change the sign. So I will say x equal to 7. So I changed the sign of the 7. Instead of -7, it's a 7. And then here x equals to 1 because I moved the 1 to the other side and I changed the sign of the 1. So I have x equals to 7 and x equals to 1. So moving on to another equation. So here I don't have a c. I have only a. So I have a and I have b, but I don't have any constant. So I will take the common factor, which is x in this case. So I will take one x out and I'm going to open two brackets, and I want 3x squared. So I will write here 3. So x times 3 is a 3x, but I want x squared. So I will write down here x. So x multiplied by 3x is 3x squared minus, because I have a minus here, and then I want 4x, so I will just write 4 because x times 4 is 4x. And yes, so equals to 0, and then I'm going to write x equals to 0 or 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and then we'll say 3x equal to, I will change the 4, I will move the 4 to the other side, and I'm going to change the sign of the 4. So I'm going to write a positive 4. So divided by 3, so x equals to 4 divided by 3, and I have x equals to 0. Now moving on to the last equation, which is x squared plus 11x plus 10 equals to 0. So I have the A, I have the B, and I have the C. So I want two numbers. When I add them together, it will give me 11. When I multiply them together, it will give me 10. So it is 10 plus 1 will give me 11, and then 10 times 1 will give me 10. So I will use these two numbers. Okay, so I will open two brackets because I have the 3a and I have a, b, and c. So I want x squared, so I'm going to write here x and here x, because x times x is x squared. And then I'm going to use the two numbers here, which is plus 10 plus 1 equals to 0. And then I want the x, so I'm going to say x plus 10 equals to 0, and then x equals to, I'm going to move the 10 to the other side, and I'm going to change the sign of it. So it's a positive here, but I'm going to change it to minus. So x equals to minus 10, and then here x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. And yeah, that's it. It's really simple. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.